When you feel like a little kid again. So I could do my big finale. Ah! Oh my god, that feels so weird.
Mud don't bother me.
It's the mud that goes between your toes. It feels so weird. Whee! Ready? Let's jump together.